How would you describe your experience working with Forest Concepts as a partner?
Forest Concepts has been great. They actually bring a lot of knowledge to the industry that we weren't aware of. So when we came to them with questions, they answered. They gave us new ideas. They gave us technology that was cutting edge.
Let's face it, biomass transportation is expensive. But what if you could take the conversion to the biomass? That's exactly what our partner LOCOAL did with the Rainmaker biochar reactor. And the Forest Concepts pre-processing system pairs beautifully with it.
Traditionally, biochar systems have been built around centralized infrastructure. These are large, permanent facilities designed to process high volumes of biomass in one location. LOCOAL's Rainmaker flips that model by deploying conversion systems directly at the feedstock source. The result is a distributed network of production sites. The Forest Concepts modular pre-processing system plays a key role at the front end of each deployment, preparing biomass for consistent, efficient conversion.
So Rainmaker, to keep it simple, is a waste-to-energy platform. We can convert end-of-life materials into renewable syngas and captured co-products. The gist of it is when we heat up materials to a high temperature without oxygen present, we can start to separate the gases and the liquids. And so Rainmaker is a very efficient pyrolysis platform technology that powers itself, but also produces environmentally impactful products.
The challenge LOCOAL faced wasn't just inventing the right conversion technology. It was finding a pre-processing system that matched the Rainmaker's relocatable philosophy.
The most important thing with our Rainmaker is to have consistent throughput. The idea is to operate as efficiently as possible 24 hours a day. And so the Force Concept Crumbler enables us to really pair the volume feedstock with our consumption rate through the Rainmaker. So there are multiple hopper feedstock control panels that really enable us to move material through the machine when it's needed in real time. And it talks directly with our CPU, so it's a very smart technology that enables us to operate very efficiently.
The community scale system consists of two main sections. The first is the rotary shear comminution section, which in this case has two M24M-30E crumbler modules. And the second section is a screen that filters out the overlength materials. With our partner LOCOAL, we added a metering bin up front to help control the rate of material coming into the process. The material then goes through the size reduction section or the comminution section, goes across the screen, overlength materials are pulled out and recirculated back around, and then excess materials are sent to a second metering bin that feeds the reactor downstream. It's really cool in this case because we actually also have an integrated control system that makes sure all these pre-processing sections talk together, work together, and prevent any overpowers or jams, as well as maximize your throughput.
Together, the two systems form a complete relocatable biochar production unit. The whole operation can be packed up, transported, and redeployed at the next site.
When it comes time to transport the community scale system, you simply break it down into a couple of modules. You take out a series of bolts, move a couple of conveyors, and then restrap them onto the skids that are provided with the system. You can load it onto a highway truck and move it to your next project site. Once you're there, you reassemble following the simple guides in our instruction manual, and you're ready to go processing more material in a couple of days. If you're struggling with biomass handling or feedstock challenges, Forest Concepts is here to help. Our team of engineers and specialists are standing by to help you find the right solutions. Visit forestconcepts.com or call the number on your screen to connect with Team FC today.